Businesses are bracing themselves for a tax raid as the Chancellor makes clear she needs to find billions of pounds for public services.
There we go, got wildfire calzone.
The hospitality sector, where staff costs eat up a lot of the bottom line, say they will struggle.
We want to employ, like lots of people. I think it's going to maybe, we're not going to recruit as hard, Lots of other businesses were probably looking for some sort of, like relief, whether it is a, tax break or a reduction in, VAT, but it just seems like another, kick in the teeth, really.
At the Commonwealth Summit across the world, Keir Starmer has faced many questions about a budget which insiders know could define this government.
What we're doing is two things in the budget. The first is fixing the foundations, which is dealing with the inheritance that we've got, including the £22 billion black hole. We have to deal with that. In the past, for the last 14 years, leaders have walked past those problems, created fictions, and I'm not prepared to do that.
Government sources have been as clear as they can be that national insurance for employers is going up because the NHS needs more money. It could raise as much as £20 billion, the biggest revenue raiser of the budget, hence the need to reassure the markets. But it's not the only tax rise in the Chancellor's sights. Labour came in promising not to raise income tax, national insurance or VAT for working people. Cabinet ministers have insisted national insurance paid by employers is not included in that. The Chancellor is widely expected to freeze the thresholds at which people pay income tax for years to come. Capital gains tax and pension reliefs may also take a hit. We won't know the full picture until she stands up in Parliament on Wednesday, but small businesses are concerned.
Bigger businesses can handle some of this, smaller businesses can't. So that's why we've got to make sure we protect those micro businesses, those little craft businesses in the high street. We all want to ensure that we've got a thriving high street, thriving economy, and that we help people get back into work. That is the single biggest thing that is going to help this economy and going to get more money into the government's pockets to help with those waiting lists, social care issues, etc.
The government are trying to make positive announcements about what they will do. A funding stream for affordable housing, waiting lists and free ports to generate investment and jobs. But many businesses fear the glass still looks half full. Tamara Cohen, Sky News, Westminster.